I'm here with Oru Designs, and today we're going to take a deep dive into our V3 Bruin XL camper. We made a lot of changes to the Bruin XL, and we're really excited to show it off. So starting with the most obvious change, we've gone away from having hinges. We have created a hingeless system that produces the increased functionality with infinitely more serviceability and cleaner exterior look. We are using a heavy-duty marine-grade fabric, the same we've been using for our tent folds for years. I want to highlight some of the upgrades to the functionality that we have made in this V3 tent. Many of these our customers have been asking for years. The V3 Bruin XL has 6 beautiful windows that zip down, have bug screens, and promote ventilation and massive views. As seen behind me, we have windows on each corner and windows in the middle. We also made all of the screens removable. That way you can use the openings as to load gear through, repair damaged screens, or even use as an emergency exit. The Bruin has retained all of its original functionality. This means that it is still ridiculously easy to pop up and down. Taking a look on the inside, you can see some of the changes that we have made. Rather than having the panels glued in as in the original design, these panels are attached to the fabric with Velcro with some buckled straps for redundancy and alignment. Removing the panels is very easy. You simply unbuckle the straps and then pull it off with the Velcro. To replace the panels, you align the edges of the panel with the seam and the straps with these notches. Then press it firmly into the Velcro and buckle. You do want the straps snug, but not over tightened. This V3 Bruin XL has a driver's side pop-out wall with the window. We love to put the pop-out walls on the driver's side because as soon as you get to the gas station, camp, or just a scenic view, you can easily get out of the driver's seat and quickly grab your essentials without needing to open up your tailgate. The back doors have our fan favorite barn doors with the window. The barn doors are the most popular upgrade. We have added a key to lock to add another level of security while maintaining the essential ability of opening up your camper from the inside. The barn doors are also removable, and at over 50 inches wide, you can store bikes, kayaks, full sheets of plywood with ease. This allows your truck to be used as a truck when you're not off adventuring. On the passenger side, we have an Arctic turn window with a built-in shade, bug screen, and a large opening window for maximizing airflow. The cab window is a sliding window that provides great visibility while driving and also folds in so it can be used as a pass-through for models such as the Tundra that have back door windows that roll all the way down and makes cleaning the window a breeze. We have 3 sleeping configurations. Right now, I'm on the queen size bed. If you wanted a king size mattress, this platform will be extended out to fit the king size bed. If you wanted to do the queen mattress along with the twin XL, you'll have the queen size bed. There'll be a space here so you can get in and out of bed, and towards the tailgate will be the twin XL. Once you step down from the bed area, you'll have about 6.5 feet of standing vertical space, so it makes it really easy and comfortable for changing and getting in and out of bed. Right here, we have benches. They're great for seating, storage, and getting in and out of bed, and they come standard with all of our Bruin XLs. We have our show models of the V3 camper at our warehouse located in Vista, California. If you want to come by and check them out, we have a bunch of friendly staff that are excited to answer any and all of the questions that you might have. If you have any other questions or would like to contact us, feel free to reach out via email. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss any more of our future content. And always, we will see you in the next video.